Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to enable camera flash for every notification coming into your Android phone. Like for instance, if I turn on camera flash right here and I click on preview, you see a camera is flashed right here. For incoming call, messages, notification from any app is going to be displayed and it's going to show camera flash on your Android phone, just like what you see right here. So let me show you how. So the very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and exit from this spot right here, and we want to make sure we start all over. So for that, I'll go ahead and open up my phone settings right here, and the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down right here, proceed to notifications, and the next thing we want to do right here is to scroll down right here, come to flash notification right here, and the next thing we want to do is to simply turn on this camera flash and then check on the preview. You have it right here. So if there is any incoming call to this phone, it's going to flash the camera. If there is a message, it's going to flash this camera. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this about Android phone settings, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.